Today we are going to have an experience as a system analysis on system analysis and design methodology. Think that you were asked to develop a school database management system, so you have a good knowledge on programming and you know what a normal database should be. Without any doubt, you are going to start to design it. Now, when you implement it in the school, a question arises whether your system meets the final requirement of yours, although it has all the functions that run perfectly. The answer is no. It because you may carry out an analysis of the system requirement only when needed. Therefore, there should be a methodology, that means an orderly procedure, standardizing the analysis and design stages. SSADM, Structured System Analysis and Design Methodology, comes here to play a role. Here we can see 6 steps on software development life cycle, starting from preliminary investigation, system analysis, system design, system testing, system deployment, and system maintenance. SSADM put emphasis on the analysis and design stages of the SDLC, which means for the first 3 steps, as SSADM special emphasis is put on the analysis of user needs, both parties, that mean developer and user, are trying to see whether the development is well suited to each other. Let's go to the first step, preliminary investigation. This is done in 2 phases. First one, problem definition. At this stage, you should recognize the need of a new system and for what areas that the system can make help for them. And also scope is defined, keeping in view all limitations of the system, especially in time and cost. Without this identification, your system may go out of control for the organization. And also maybe more than one solution is available to develop a system. So identify all the solutions and choose the best one. Second phase of preliminary investigation is feasibility study. As this is done before initiating your system, you can gain a confidence on your system to the organization, and on the same hand, feasibility is a measure of how suitable the development of a system will be to the organization. Feasibility can be evaluated in different aspects. First one, technical feasibility, which addresses the current technology available for the proposed system, the technical ability to build the system, and about the support and maintenance of the system. If yes, you can go for the next, economic feasibility. There you check whether you can provide the facilities of the system, and a cost-benefit analysis by looking whether the system improve the performance and reduce cost. Next step on operational feasibility, that focuses on employees of the organization. Here it checks whether the employees have ability to change with your system. There may be changes in power structure from high management to lower categories. Is it okay for them? And the changes to the relation between organization and their consumers accepted or not. At the end, your last step is organizational feasibility. Is the organization capable of accepting the changes involved in managing information and adopting new processes? Is the organization capable of accepting the changes involved in making decisions? So if you meet all these feasibilities okay, at the end, a feasibility report is given to the top management with all the criteria you found as a system analysis. If your feasibility study report is okay with the top management, you are done. Let's go further. Our next step, which is system analysis. So our next video will be on system analysis, where we mainly focus on functional requirement, non-functional requirement, and data flow diagrams as analytical tools. Thank you. We'll see you again.